Hey people, welcome to Incredible World. Today we will discuss about top 10 safest countries for women. I dream of the day when women don't have to look for recommendation of safe places to travel alone. However, while this still isn't the reality, I believe that some countries are safer for female than others. On number 10, Australia. With a high life expectancy for both men and women, Australia scored 8.7 out of 10 for human rights but a silently lower score of 8.3 for gender equality. Australia is the safest country in the world for women according to the data the consultancy New World Wealth released in its 2019 Global Wealth Migration Review. On number 9, Netherlands. The Dutch have managed to narrow the gender gap across health, education, economy and politics, providing benefits such as maternity nurse to new mothers. The Netherlands scored a perfect 10 out of 10 in both gender equality and commitment to human rights. Crime rates are very low compared to southern European countries and the law is strictly enforced. On number 8, Norway. Coming in third out of 144 countries in the World Economic Forum's Global Gender Gap Report 2016, generous maternity leave policies are just one of the reasons Norway is one of the most gender equal nations in the world. Norway scores very high in caring about human rights 9.9 and gender equality 9.1. Norwegians can be known for being a bit distant, but they are very helpful and polite and will openly speak to you and help if you get lost. On number 7, Denmark. The progressive Scandinavian country boasts an earning-related daycare system and one of the most flexible parental leave policies in Europe. Denmark scored a 9.4 in human rights and a 9.1 in gender equality. Statistically, Denmark is one of the safest countries in the world, meaning that visitors have little to worry about in terms of crime and women need not to fear harassment in public nearly as much as they do in the United States. On number 6, Sweden. Regaining its top spot after being replaced by Denmark in 2018, Sweden has the most progressive attitude towards gender equality 9.6 and human rights 9.8. According to an article published by the New York Times, women in Sweden now represents 46% of the parliament and 50% of the government cabinet. In 2020, 16,461 assault cases were reported against women in a close relationship in Sweden. On number 5, Switzerland. Switzerland is a country full of culture diversity, a wide variety of beautiful attractions, a cosmopolitan landscape that fade into breathtaking natural ones. Switzerland is most peaceful country in the world according to the Global Peace Index. It's an incredibly safe country for women and one of the Europe's safest places for women to travel alone. It has laws for almost everything and a police force willing to make sure those laws are respected. On number 4, Uruguay. This small country situated right next to Brazil is a charming place with extremely welcoming people. Uruguay has some of the lowest crime rate in the Americas. For women wanting to visit South America, Uruguay is one of the region's safest countries to travel alone. According to the report in South America, overall Uruguay is the number 1 most peaceful and safest country out of 11 in the region. On number 3, New Zealand. A country of otherworldly landscape, New Zealand or Middle Earth for Lord of the Rings fan is the perfect destination for those who love adventure, sports, nature or all of the above. New Zealand is considered safest country in the world to travel in according to the survey by the Institute for Economics and Peace. Some reports consider New Zealand to be the safest country for women in the world. New Zealand's parliament has unanimously passed an equal pay amendment bill that ensures workers are not paid less because of their genders. On number 2, Canada. Canada is home to a wide range of landscape including centuries, old forests, snow-covered mountains, countrysides and lakes. Their cities also have a special charm and a multicultural touch of all the countries in the Americas. Canada is considered safest destination for women. The majority of Canadians extremely safe, and if you do find yourself in an unpleasant circumstances, the police in Canada are extremely trustworthy. On number 1, Finland. Land of the midnight sun and northern lights, Finland is the ideal place for nature lovers. Finland is ranked number 1 in terms of safety by the World Economic Forum in their Travel and Tourism Competitiveness Report. Finland is one of the safest countries in Europe for women. Finland is statistically the least dangerous place on earth based on the World Economic Forum data. That's all 10 countries in our experience, and according to research, they are much safer and calmer than others. However, even these places are not 100% safe. That's all about this video. Hope you find this informative. If you did, do subscribe. See you next time. Ta-da!